So you are holding the question right now. Let me read the question for you. Okay. I will only read the question once. Yeah, and you are not allowed to ask for another
Follow-up.
chance.
Oh, okay.
Ang higpit.
Yeah, okay. Okay, ito na. Please listen very carefully. And I hope you are able to answer this question.
Okay.
Face the audience now. Ano kaya ganun talaga magtanong yun sa mga contest,
Parang
no?
kakabahan na sila
Okay.
Nakabahan.
How are you feeling right now?
Nervous.
How are you feeling right now?
Very nervous.
Very.
Nervous.
Don't be just relax.
Yes.
Just
Okay.
relax. Your question is like this. Listen.
Ang higpit po
Oo,
talaga.
pero don't be nervous, ha? Pero ganun.
Listen.
Okay, okay. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, you have to manage your emotions. Okay, you have to let go of the nerves. All right?
Yes.
All right. Okay, your question goes a little something like this.
Hirap.
They say that it is the heart that makes a woman beautiful. The question is, what are the 4 chambers of the heart?
Grabe naman yung tanong mo.
First,
Pang sexy, babe. Hirap naman.
medical.
Pang-doktor yung tanong mo.
bronchitis.
Magdodoktor ba yan?
Hi, Doc Tina.
Parang hindi pang tourism management.
Answer, please.
Hala.
The 4 chamber.
The 4 chambers of heart is... Chamber of... Ano? Colors? Ay.
Time is up.
Oh,
The
Artery.
4 chambers of the heart are the left and the right atrium, the left and the right ventricle.
Ventricle.
Ventricle. The left
Now I know,
ventricle is the
sorry.
largest and the strongest chamber of the heart. It is the one that pushes the blood through the aortic valve
Yes.
and into the body parts. The left ventricle. It is the strongest and the largest chamber of the heart. You know what a ventricle is?
Yes.
What is a ventricle?
It's the one who pushes the blood.
No,
Sorry.
ventricle. It is a vehicle that has 20 wheels. Ventricle.
Vehicle yun! Iba yun.
Mali ka na naman.
Iba yun. Vehicle.
Yeah! It is a vehicle that has 20 wheels. Ventricle. Just like yung dalawang gulong, anong tawag? Dalawang gulong, anong tawag?
Bicycle.
Hala ka!
Bicycle.
Dalawang gulong, anong tawag?
Bicycle.
Tatlo ang gulong, anong tawag?
Tricycle.
Mali.
Ano?
Pag tatlo ang gulong, ang tawag doon, sira.
Ba't sira?
Ginagawa yung isa, 4 ang gulong. Di ba?
Reserva kasi sinasabi mo.
Flat yung isa. Ganon. No, that was just an icebreaker. This is the real question. Okay, breathe in.
Yes.
Hold it for 20
You got
minutes.
this.
Okay. Hold it for 20 minutes and let's go until you are colored purple.
Yeah. Color po.
Okay. Madali lang to. This is a very casual question. Nagkaroon ka na ba ng boyfriend ever?
Yes po.
Okay. Yun ang tanong. Maraming salamat.
Ang simple mo.
Wow, simple question.
Thank you po.
Okay. May best friend ka?
Yes po.
Okay. Kung may best friend kang babae at naging jowa niya yung ex mo, didistansya ka ba? Nakakatawa yun.
Okay. Sorry.
Hindi, bumubuelo
May
lang.
naalala lang po ako sa...
Okay yun. Kung may best friend kang babae, super best friend, like sisters.
Oh, close na
like,
close?
Yeah. Oo. Tapos naging jowa niya yung ex mo. Kasi nagmamahalan sila. Didistansya ka ba?
Para sa akin, yes po. Para sa akin, ang pagdistansya ay isang self-respect sa sarili mo, isang respeto sa sarili mo. Kasi una pa lang sa lahat, alam na ng best friend mo kung ano yung hinanakit mo, lahat ng mga sinasabi mo sa kanya, alam niya lahat ng mga pagtitiwala mo sa kanya. Kaya once na sinira niya lahat ng yon, para sa akin, isa po yung pagkakawala ng respeto sa pagkakaibigan yung dalawa. And para sa akin, yun po ang pinakamaganda dapat na panghawakan ng isang magkaibigan, yung tiwala sa isa't isa. Yun lang po.
Ganda. Gusto ko yung self-respect. Kasi kung para sa'yo, hindi niya nanirespeto yung pagiging magkaibigan nyo. Ikaw, ibibigay mo yun sa sarili mo.
Yeah.
Of course.
Wonderful question. I got your point. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Chumani Calabarabu.